This area is very odd, and it's right in the middle of an urban area. It's a very active area, and they've given us an opportunity to hunt it now that hunting season's over. The dogs have really been cutting up, and what do you know about this area, brother?
Well, a lot of noise, knocks, localizations. People seeing bears in trees that probably weren't bears. So, and we've already heard a lot tonight in just a little while.
Yeah, it's got a lot of promise.
Yes, it does.
Lots of promise.
Guess you could call that a wood structure there if you wanted to.
Yeah. Some people would.
I think that was just from a pine tree falling, but what I know. How do you thing off up in the winter?
I don't know. It's supposed to be waterproof, but just it's
I
supposed
got it
to be.
inside my rain suit. I mean, I can see fine, you know, that it's raining.
But this is a very active area. Now, here's what's weird. The dogs are just completely shut up. You notice that?
Sure do. Probably coming this way.
Yeah, I wish they would come this way. Tell you, I'm like you. Talked to a lady the other day, interviewed a lady the other day. It was telling me about how when these creatures come around, that her dogs get pretty terrified, pretty pretty animated when these creatures come around. You know.
Do you see it? You still see the light? I see it. It's back.
I'm not getting anything on the therm. That is so. Of course, he's maybe totally behind a tree.
See, it's gone now. Well, let's see. You see, you got the fucking thing now on.
Well, you know, we had one the other night when the guy turned with the therm toward him.
Mm-hmm.
He ducked, so they can see.
See, now it's back up.
Yeah, we're gonna start. When you get that other night vision in, we'll have three then, and we're gonna start fucking triangulating this shit.
But that thing's definitely moving, whatever it is.
Yeah, because
I can see one eye now.
I see. I can't see eye. So he's around a tree.
Yeah, now he's. I can very dimly see it now.
I can't see it at all.
But I cannot see anything on here. If it was an owl, I'd bet he would light it up too.
Yeah, but you're seeing a lot of trees on that.
But man, there's a lot of trees. I mean, a lot. He could be 10 foot tall, 5 foot wide, and I couldn't see him.
See,
Now I can't see anything.
Seeing that binoculars, this is 120 view. It's 270 views. You'll have a wider view.
Ooh.
There's a huge tree break. Trees.
There's quite a few of them around here.
there may be a head over there behind a tree.
This recording.
See if I can see his eyeballs anymore. Well, now it ain't got him. Well, yeah, they too.
It's gone. Head's gone.
Now. Every time I put the thing up,
He's just poking his head around there because I just saw it. I got that on thermal. So
did you get something on there?
yeah, he's poked his head around the tree.
We'll see what happens when I shine a light on him again.
I don't see him.
He's gone. I don't see anything anymore.
No, I don't either.
That might be the thing to do.
Got a big fire pit there. There's some wood somewhere.
Yeah, we're over here behind it. Yeah, he moved over here now. I just saw eye shine with my naked eye. Yeah. Very possible. Yeah, that was odd. I just saw off shine and it just blinked out. Nothing on thermal. Huh?
That's weird. There you go. I'm gonna try to put my vision back for a second.
I understand that. I just got mine back, so I might as well mess it up.
Well, I got this one set low and setting on brightness, so it should be a little easier too if you want to use this one. Because one thing I want us to start doing with this one is just slow, steady movements. Here you go. But I guess we can say, Terry, we Bigfoot hunting pretty much in any kind of weather, don't we?
I guess so. I'm just glad it's fairly warm.
Yeah.
Well, something got them riled up again.
You good, Richard? No. Look up in the trees. That'd be hilarious if there was one up just looking down upon us.
This is the area where they claiming saw bears in the trees.
Yeah.
We don't have many bears, so.
Terry talked to a man that's part of this club, and one of the women that walks by this place talked about that she saw bears in the trees all the time, and we thought that was pretty odd. There's not, like Terry said, there ain't a lot of bears in this area, are there, Terry?
No, no.
And so, yeah, let's walk down here a little bit. We'll walk down this road a little bit. Yeah. We're gonna go down here. Let's see if we can scare something up. There's nothing like working a new area. We've been wearing out the private area for a couple of months, and we decided tonight the man give us access to this, and so we are gonna just see how it pans out here. We'll walk on down by ourselves and see what we can get into. One thing we're noticing real quick about this area, Terry scouted it today, is there is a lot of tree breaks halfway up. That's a big indicator. There's a lot of tree snaps. We're looking for some twist. Tree twist are a big indicator. Now that was a footstep right there.
No, this is.
For a second, y'all ready to go, Dart? We have been talking about an urban Bigfoot. This is really close to what you would call an urban Bigfoot. This plot of land is probably about a mile wide, 3 or 4, 5 miles long, right in the middle of a small town. Look at that now. That looks almost like a creature right there. It's an urban area. Terry was here before us and heard a bunch of wood knocks, about 5 wood knocks. And I always talk about that these things are more in urban environments than people realize. That's a reflector that you're seeing right there, down there.